Okay, so in the previous video, we looked at how to commit a file. Now, what I didn't actually explicitly say was that that file was actually being committed to the master branch. So if we look back at our GitHub repository online, we can see that we have one down here in the branch dropdown, we have one branch master there. And you can see up here, there's also a branch count, and you can click that to see more info on the branches. But what we often want to do in real projects is create multiple branches. So I might branch off and start implementing a bunch of features here. So you give your branch a name and you branch it off from another branch that exists. In this case, we've only got one branch, which is the master branch. So we're going to branch it off the master branch and create a new branch called Nathan. So Nathan here is going to be a branch that I implement all of my features in. So I've branched off from the master, which means I've got all the same files that the master had, but now I'm able to work on them separately from everyone else. So if we open up the repository, we look here, we've got everything the same as it was in master, but now I can add Nathan's feature in. So we save that, close the file, and if we go back to GitHub here, we should see that we've got a change. So just clicking the one uncommitted change thing at the top, we see that there is a change. Nathan's feature has been implemented. So we've put Nathan's feature in here. Now what we can do is give it a little summary, add Nathan's feature, whoa. And then we can commit it to Nathan. So we're committing this change to the Nathan branch. So if we look up here, it's actually not on the master branch, this longer branch here, it's on the little branch that comes out, which is the Nathan branch. So that's the commit there. And what we can do now is we can publish, and this is going to publish our branch up to the main repository. So all of these changes haven't been seen by the actual online repository, the main repository. And so we're having to push or publish those changes up, and then once we see those changes have gone through, we'll be able to see them up here online. So at the moment we're just syncing, which means we're putting all of the local changes up onto the up onto the internet copy. So here we have a branch that's been published, and because there's some changes in this branch compared to what the master branch has, it says, do you want to compare and pull request? So basically, do you want to pull those changes into the master? So we're looking at the master branch here now, but we can actually look at other branches and pull those changes in. So I'm not going to pull these changes in yet because I want to show you what happens with a conflict in a little bit. But that's basically how you create a branch and how you sync that branch up to the main server.